Hello students, how are you? Fine? Okay. Then let us move further now with the next exercise 9.3 of chapter number 9 over here. Now let us see the first question. The bar graph given below shows the amount of wheat purchased by the government during the year 1998 and 2002. Read the bar graph and write down your observation. So here the given graph you can see, this is y-axis children, this is x-axis here. Okay, on y-axis the wheat is given in tons, that the kgs, that the weight is given here, that is what is produced there, and on x-axis the years are marked to us. Okay, in which year how much the production was there, that is we can read out from this given graph. Now the two questions to be answered here: in which year was the wheat production maximum and the wheat production minimum. So let us read this bar graph. Where is maximum children? Which is the highest bar over here? Here, the last one, right? So which year it is? 2002. So in which year the wheat production was maximum? 2002, right? Now, in which year the wheat production was minimum? Now you just see which is the smallest bar among the given here, because this bar represents the productions, right? So here you can see the smaller one you can see is this one, which is 1998 year. So 2002 it was maximum and 1998 it was minimum. So here the same answer we have given here. In the year 2002 the wheat production was maximum, whereas in the year 1998 the wheat production was minimum here. Next question. Observe this bar graph which is showing the sale of shirts in a ready-made shop from Monday to Saturday. So here the days are given from Monday to Saturday, and the sales of the shirt on those particular days is marked here on x-axis with the scale of 5 shirt. 1 unit they have taken as 5. Okay. So according to that we have to answer few things. Let us see what we have here. Now answer the following question based on the given bar graph here. What information does the above bar graph give us? Okay, let us answer. The given bar graph shows the sale of the shirts in the ready-made shop from Monday to Saturday. Now, what is the scale chosen on the horizontal line representing the number of the shirt? So, horizontal line, how many the unit we have taken children? The scale as 1 unit we have taken as 5 shirts. So, the scale we have taken is of 5, 1 unit is equal to 5 shirts over here. Now, third question of the same. On which day were the maximum number of shirts sold and how many shirts were sold on that day? Children, when you observe the graph, you will see that the highest bar is on Saturday. That means on that particular day the sale was maximum here. You can see Saturday, the longest bar here. So you can read here, on Saturday maximum number of shirts were sold. That is from the graph on the x-axis you can see the number of shirts sold is there. When you reach up to the x-axis you will find it is 60 over there. Okay, so here on Saturday maximum number of shirts were sold, that is 60 shirts were sold on that day. Now next, on which day were the minimum number of shirts sold? Okay, the minimum number you can see the smallest bar on Tuesday, and that is 10 here. Okay, on Tuesday the minimum number of shirts were sold there. Next question. How many shirts were sold on Thursday? So let us see the bar of Thursday, and where does it lie here? On x-axis on 35 here. So you can write your answer. 35 shirts were sold on Thursday. So all the answer children you get looking at the bar graph only very easily. Now the next exercise we have 9.4, wherein children you are supposed to draw the bar graph here. Okay, so let us go for the first question. A survey of 120 school students was done to find which activity they prefer to do in their free time. Draw a bar graph to illustrate the above data taking a scale of 1 unit length is equal to 5 students. The scale is also given. Which activity is preferred by most of the students other than playing? So, we have to answer one question, we have to draw the bar graph using the given scale here. So, let us, so this is the bar graph given to us, children. From the given information, we have the following bar graph. Here y-axis is given, here x-axis is given to you. Okay. Where these two lines intersect each other, there we mark as 0. The scale is already given to us, 1 unit length is equal to 5 students. So, leaving the equal space between all the bars, you have to mark them. So, leave first box, then go for playing, again leave one box, then reading storybooks, leaving one box, mark watching TV, again leave one box, mark listening to music, and again leaving one box, last write painting. So, children, just see whatever gap you start with. Suppose you are leaving here one box, then other gap should be also 1. If you are marking 2 boxes gap here, the remaining gap between the 2 bars should be of 2 boxes only. See, 1, then 2, then again 1, then 3. No. The gap between the bar has to be equal, nor more nor less. Similarly, the unit length is given to us of 5 students. So, here we will start from 0, then 5. After 5, the next 5 comes what? 10. So, when you go with, you have to write the multiples of 5 only. If you are taking 10, then go for the multiples of 10, that is 10, 20, 30. If you are taking by 5, then 5, 10, 15 and so on. So, do not make a mistake while taking the scale on y-axis. Now, according to the given question, we have marked the bars here. So, bar will be of the full box you will mark, playing is 45, then reading the storybooks 30, watching TV is 20, listening to music, and last painting. So, accordingly, we have to mark the bars on the given graph paper. And one question was asked, which activity is preferred by the most of the students other than playing. Okay. Now, activity you can see which is preferred more by children. Activity of reading storybook is preferred by the most of the students other than playing. Okay. So, this is our answer here. Now, question 2. Following table shows the number of bicycles manufactured in a factory during the years 1998 to 2002. Illustrate this data using bar graph. Choose a scale of your choice. Here the scale we can choose of our own choice, children. Here you can see the number is very large. So, we will take here the scale of 100 only. So, whenever you get the data, just try to see this, and accordingly you have to select that either you will take the scale with 5, 10, 100, whatever is convenient for you to mark, children, you can take. Okay. So, now this is the data given to us which we have to plot on the graph, but 2 questions along with that also to be answered. In which year were the maximum number of bicycle manufactured, and in which year were the minimum number of bicycle manufactured. But before that, let us draw the graph. Okay. Here the 2 answers are given. In which year were the maximum number of bicycle manufactured? From the data given, we can see that it is 2002, the maximum number of bicycle were manufactured, and minimum it was in 1999 over here. And this is the graph of it, children. So, you can see on the y-axis I have taken the scale of 100, on x-axis I have marked the number of years, and according to the data you can see the gap between all the bars is equal. Taking the scale here, the scale I have taken of 1 unit is equal to 100 bicycle. Okay. So, do not forget to write y-axis, then 0 to mark here, x-axis and the scale. After writing this many things, you can start plotting the graph. Okay. And according to the numbers, if the first 1998 it was 800. So, take your bar till 800. 1999 it was till 600. You mark your bar till 600 and complete your graph. So with this children, we end this exercise over here. Hope this concept is clear to you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.